So now that I've been talking, this finish is now ready for a second coat. That's how fast this goes. This is all real time. Do the exact same thing. It's ready to go. You don't have to do anything to it. Quick spread, light back roll. I'm not going to say that this is absolutely foolproof, that anybody can do this without any kind of practice with your eyes closed. It does take a bit of attention to detail, an element of, okay, you need to move quickly, right? You're dealing with thin films that are drying out, and you want to work, and you only want to work when the finish is wet and glossy. But I'm not rushing. I'm not going crazy. I'm just working at a very conscientious, deliberate pace. If you choose to use Omega, I strongly encourage you to read the instructions, understand them. I have hours of videos on different ways to apply it. This is the newest replacement video that doesn't add anything new, but consolidates things into a nice new format. And practice before you do something for real. I really encourage you to practice. You'll have much better success. You'll be much more relaxed. You'll get a better outcome. This is the day and age of instant gratification, but good things come to those who wait and practice. It's worth it, believe me. Okay, if you notice, look at the visual quality of the surface of how it looks as I'm working on it and compare it to where I've been. It will look much better once you get it to a state where you can walk away from it and leave it alone. Resist the urge to fix everything. It's all going to be okay. So for example, there's an area right here that looks, it's shiny here, it's a little dry, it's shiny here, it's tempting to go back and try to fix it. Leave it alone. You're just going to mess it up. Leave it alone. It'll be fine. So that's 2 coats, 2 finish coats. I'm 38 minutes and 47 seconds from the time I started inducting the sealer, and I've got 2 prime coats and 2 finish coats on this. Real time.